So let us maybe I should talk about the exam first, because that would be, I think, is much more crucial than what we have right here now. So I just I think this spreadsheet link is already in the Blackboard. So in case you miss it, already also in the, is already the announcement in the I think the top here. Can you see my? Is here. Hoi, is it okay? The link is here. In case you still can't do it, you can just email me. But it's here. Just click in and then it will show you the link. But is it here already? But just what I want to show you today is the test here. I think it's available to you. So up here is the past paper. I hope you try to look at the questions. As I told you that my test will not be too much different from them in terms of difficulty level. And here will be, you just go inside and then you will see, of course, it's not open yet, but you already see the instruction there. So it'll be 7-page exam test, open book, 6 question, 100 point, first 2 question, 10 points, and the remaining 4 question, 20 points. And then you submit your answer online, which is here. Okay, you write down your answers, and then you would just need to submit your written one, and then submit. I put a place where you should submit your written answer as well. You just take a picture, you write it, take a picture, and just send up. And I would want it to be handwritten, because to online and to avoid cheating, then I need you to write your own. And then you use Excel to do calculation, then just write down Excel input. Just write down on the blank A4 paper. It's easier to see than if the paper with lines, then maybe probably hard to see. So hopefully it's a blank A4 paper. Try to write a new page for each question. Just have the webcam on, so you will be writing this, right? A, maybe the answer may be 0.11, then just do it this way. And then B is still like this, and then just write the short answer here. And there's 6 questions. So that would be the test information. Like the exact question will be uploaded as a PDF when we have during the assessment day. Okay. And second will be second. I mean, any question? The data sheet offer the data and calculation. Yeah, if this is a data that will be offered, yes, you will not be entering data. If the data, if there's a data question, that will be given, like the homework, right? So you will be using that, yes. There are no MCQ. That is what you will be seeing. There's only questions. Because of online style, I cannot have a MCQ. Is that clear? So this is the style you're expecting. Just 1 hour. TA and I will be there to answer any question you might have over the time. Just try to log in a little bit earlier, because we want to check your ID. Say maybe like 10 to 15 minutes earlier. Try to be 10 to 15, then we can check your ID. Keep your webcam on. So the second thing is exam time. Oh, I think it should be very clear. This Thursday, 7:30 to 8:30. This Thursday, just don't miss it. Thursday, 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay. And So any more question? So the next thing is to homework 4, the answer uploaded. Homework 5, I think will be that on the next Friday. So project have been allocated time, and then so because we have only 1 hour for the quiz, sorry, for the test, then for the first day we don't we do a test, we don't have class, but I will open office hour for 1 hour. So for your case, I think will be 1 hour office, because 1 hour quiz, we still have 1 hour class. So I think we have 4:30 to 5:30. I will be using the Zoom, the same link. Then I will be meeting you, and then you can ask questions. So there's nothing. So 4:30 to 5:30, then I will be there to answer any question that you may have. If no one is there, then I'll if there are no question, I'll extend. If no question, I'll end early. Okay, so that would be the first day arrangement. There's no class, but I will be on Zoom to answer question. Anything further you want to ask? If no, then we just quickly go into the quiz that we have just did it. So very quickly, I think this one is a little bit straightforward. Later you will, the one certificates, but just like you just maybe 0.0235, then you just left the first two figures if you have any answers. You know certificates? Just the leading digit that's non-zero. Just certificates, yeah. Is it certificates, you know? Then you can check Wikipedia what certificate, but just take the non-leading zero, then just take two figures. If you need to round up your answer, round up the decimal places, you just take the first two digit that is non-zero. Okay. If 1,235, then you still take the whole thing, but just the standard way. If the data is asked, that would be yes. Yeah, just like the assignment. Yeah. Yeah, just round up for easy. I mean, I would not try to deduct it if you don't do it, but just try to be easier for the marker, right? But if you take more, then it's fine. But it just yeah, just try to round up to, if you have 0.0000000, then you just better to just standard thing you do exam, just 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. Yeah. Anyway, I think any more question? I guess you don't use your phone calculator, to be honest. Because the phone is suspicious, right? So try not to use phone, if possible. If you have other calculator, then better not use the phone. Okay. Well, you can take a picture. I mean, you just a little suspicious when you take a picture, also, of course. I mean, don't use the phone to take picture. You take picture, yeah. But use the phone as calculator, I don't know. If you do so, then probably I will ask you to show me your phone somehow. If I saw some suspicious activity, I mean, just require you to. I mean, if TA and I saw you doing something suspicious, then we ask, yeah. Yeah, it's open book, yeah. But otherwise, I'll ask you to show me your screen. Yeah, if you use your phone, and then I sometimes ask you to show me your screen. because if I suspicious, that would be cheating, just for cheating purpose, right? So I think things are fair, but just to avoid cheating. Okay, so just a very standard thing. I would just ask. If you normal calculator, then probably I would not asking, but otherwise should not be an issue here. Anyway, yeah, you can copy all the formula. It's open book. It's one book, so you can just you can copy all the formula. Yeah. Remember your supporting steps should be handwritten. Okay, so to avoid cheating. Any further question? I think it's very clear in the instruction for significant figures. I think I asked two. If you want to run up, if you Excel, then just say what function you're using. Otherwise, so probably you have 5 to, I think after the exam is over, yeah, 3 decimal number is fine. Yeah, yeah. No, it's just your final answer. It's not your calculation. Your final answer is running up. It's not your calculation step. Is that clear? It's not. It's not asking you every step you decimate 3 numbers. I think it's very standard when you take the exam. It's not about asking you every step. You just cut out the thing. Just like at the end, you just give the answer. You give the 2 certificates, and so the submission of the just let you know the submission of, I mean, because exam ends, right? So that's why the one you submit a short answer will be end at the exact time at 8:30 when we start. We close submission, uh, and then you can put in your photo. Maybe I give you 5 to 10 minutes if you need some extension, but otherwise, you should sub. You will be sub the short answer. You will be dead on spot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I allow some time to do it. Any further question? Yeah, I think I just showed you the thing, right? You just type you type your short answer there, but you need to submit your handwritten answer. I think I was pretty clear, but you can just check yourself. That is, just go there. Um, the check here. There will be you input your answer here, your short answer here, but you need to take a picture on the answer. Okay, so make sure that uh, the short answer one will be that on when time's up. Okay, so this one will time's up, then we will cut it. Otherwise, you sometime you there will be a PDF file that you have your question, and then there you submit your answer. Okay, I guess that should be all right. Of course, there will be any further question. Yeah, open your cam because I will check to avoid cheating. Yeah, open your cam. Make sure that you're the one who are doing the thing, right? I mean, yeah. Okay, any more question? I think it's very clear on there. You can just check and let me know if you have any question. Any more question? If no, then we'll quickly look at the, I think you can see, I hope, regression ANOVA. Um, uh, so for the one-way ANOVA, I guess it's very clear. It's just either the null hypothesis is no difference in the mu, if that mu1 equal to da, 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 up to mu c, and there is no treatment effect, is what the null hypothesis is all the same. Okay, all different is not. Some are different is alternative. Okay, is it h1? Okay, so this is A. I hope that is clear. Any question? Any question? If no, then we go to the next part. Um, One-way ANOVA. If the compute statistics is greater than f critical value, so then you will, of course, reject H null. Okay, reject H null. So the C and D are not right. Okay, and that you can only prove some of them are different, not all. So this just B, right? So look at the slides. We say just not everything the same, right? Because it's just like all the same. The opposite is just not all the same. So some are different. Okay, some are the same, but maybe some are the same, right? Can just like we just can conclude not all the same. Okay, so that would be the key. I guess this one we ask you to have a data on it. So let's see if we can just copy and paste. Do the ANOVA here. Let me see. Yes. So can show you the screen. So let me show you my Excel. So this is a copy from that one. So I just do ANOVA. Then what I'm going to do is to do data analytics, and ANOVA single factor. The input would be just highlighting all. Okay, and then I just label in the first row, put the output here, just put here, then output. Then we have the ANOVA result. So this is the key. Okay, you can see this is very important. So you will be able to infer, right? This is SSA, this is SSW, SST, degree of freedom, MS. So you just look at the question again. Right, so let's look at the question again. So how to calculate SST, right? SST will then be this number, right? 700. Let me see why. Oh, sorry, I have a mistake because I shouldn't have the trial in. So it's just let me do it again, I guess. The data, sorry, I shouldn't have the trial there. So I just ANOVA. It's not include column A. Yeah. So it would be this answer. So it will be 114.7. Okay. So this is SST. And similarly, you can do the SSA, I guess, among group, right? 80 something. Okay, it's here. And then you have SSW, which is 32. Okay. And then you have So the number six is the y-intercept of a linear regression. Okay, it's estimated y when x equal to 0. Okay, it's very simple. So the second one is a change in estimated y per unit change of x. Actually, the slope. It's a slope, and predicted value is not the and the d variation is related to standard error regression. Okay, so that is only A is the right answer, and the slope of the intercept will be, as we said, just answer B. So this is rather intuitive. So least square minimize the sum of square residual, right? So it's just B, just by definition. So question 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 will be with data. So let us go to the data. I think uh, for the sake of convenience that I would already the data ready here. Uh, so let me do it again. So this is a data set. Okay, just type in this is X and this is Y. Okay, maybe I make it bigger. Okay, so this data set. Then what I will be doing is just the same thing happening here. I have data. Can you see the Excel screen? No. Can you see now? Oh, so this data screen. Yeah, sorry, I haven't started yet. So this is, can you see the data Excel screen? Yes. So what I do data analytics, and I go to the regression, okay, and the X Y range will be just from here to here, just highlight them all, and the X range is also highlight them all, okay, and then I have a label because at the top, and just choose the output. I guess just put here, okay, just okay. Uh, then you will see the output here. I guess I just make it bigger. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this will be the standard error. Okay. And this R square. Is that okay for this two? Okay. And then you go down here, will be the SSR, SSE, right? And then this will be the coefficient. Okay. And this is a slope intercept. Okay. So this is the answer to this question. But of course, all of them can be calculated directly, right? Say like you calculate intercept, right? You can calculate FHX and FHY. The slope is 0.7, then you can just calculate by hand. Same here, you calculate the slope, you just like the covariance, variance over that is 0.7. Okay, so that's how you can derive that on spot if you want to do it, right? And R square is already output there, but will be SSR over SST, right? So that would be same for the estimate of the regression, right? That would be, and the slope, standard error intercept, right? So that would be the, for the intercept. So this would be this one. Okay. Oh, I think I think I revised it. I think I typed one error. I think I revised it. No, let's see. I think I revised it already. I think it's Q12 is 2 point. Yeah, it's 2 point something. Yeah, no, you can see it's 2.809. Okay, I guess the quiz I've done. So I guess although I just have few minutes remaining, but I will just stay here to answer any question you might have so far. I think, although so someone asked me, can I go through the part of the interpreting regression statistics on Excel again? Okay, okay. So someone asked a question. So which thing you want to ask? Ho Yi. So I think I guess the Q&A session now. So if you have urgency to go to do other things, please feel free to do so. Yeah. Go through the part of interpreting the regression statistics of Excel again. So is it, which one is here? So have a nice day if you are done. So yeah. Maybe all the boxes. Oh, so this is the R square. So this is standard error regression, right? It's SE. This is optimal observation. Yeah, this is S in our slides. Anova, this is just standard error regression. This is result to SSE, SST. Then this is the F, the standard thing. I hope this is clear, right? Anova. And this is coefficient of the intercept and the slope and the standard error. And this is a t-stat. This is testing whether this coefficient is equal to 0 or not. And this associate p-value of two-sided test. And this, the remaining are just confidence interval, 95%. Is that okay? Ho Yi? Not sure. I mean, I'm not sure what you're asking. Oh, this is standard error of the intercept. This is standard error of this slope. Yeah. And what is coefficient of determination? Oh, in the linear regression, the coefficient R square is just will be the square of correlation coefficient. R square they would call coefficient of determination. Yeah. If you look at the textbook, if I remember correctly, yeah. Check the textbook. I think that's the case. I think the textbook called this coefficient of determination. Yeah, they call R squared the coefficient of determination in the textbook. Yeah. So this is look at Excel, it will be this is R squared, they call the coefficient of determination. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah. So I just here to answer any question you might have because I think we still have some time. If you want, you can open your mic if you want to, but otherwise, just type. I just stop sharing the screen. Someone asked me what's the difference between confidence interval and prediction interval. So the answer is, as we said here, the confidence interval. Okay. I think you are asking estimating this guy, right? So, and the prediction interval, I think look at the textbook, they will say, they'll tell you the CI for the predicted Y is asking the, on average, given the X, what is average value of Y, okay? So if you PI, then we'll be asking what is individual value of Y, okay? So the difference is, this one is asking, I give you X, what there can be many y possible because of the random error. Okay, so that's why you are looking at the average of those value. Okay, so that's why the variance of this is smaller. Okay, if you look at the equation, so what I mean is the confidence interval. If you have this, the plus minus the margin of error for this one for CI is smaller than PI. So you have PI, then will be much bigger. Okay, then the PI and the CI, then you will see uh, the margin of error of CI is smaller than margin of error. Sorry, margin of error for the PI. They're doing the same thing, but what you're predicting is a little bit different. Whether you are predicting the average response or individual response. So in the textbook, they will say this individual response. Okay, this is the average response, and the well, the resource topic can be anything, but you just use inference. You can do estimation, you can do hypothesis testing, you can do regression, you can do ANOVA. For someone who asks me, what should your research do? Yeah, you can do whatever. Just you do something inference. Can you obtain? I think I put on these slides on the Excel. I don't think they have directly this. You have to calculate direct. You have to calculate. You do it directly. I don't think they have that for you, as far as I understand. Yeah, I think the formula is there. I think it's readily available. Okay. No, if you if okay for the exam, okay for the test, you write your answer from X. You type your answer from the blackboard. If any case you use Excel to do you should show your supporting step in your handwritten answer. If any case you would be using Excel, then you just tell me how you are using it, or use hand and you just show me your step. That's it. Is that
I
clear?
sorry, I also have a similar question with
Yes.
this student, and may I share screen to show?
Yeah. Okay.
Um,
Yeah.
oh, I cannot start the
Okay.
screen.
Please.
Okay. So if I use the data analysis of, for example, for the t-test, can I just simply copy the table and write it here, but not stating the formula, the math formula,
Well, but how you arrive this?
using it in the Excel?
That you describe how you arrive it, because I need to make sure that you know how to do it, right?
Um,
You see
uh,
what I'm saying? You just demonstrate that how it's not copied from others, right? You have sufficient evidence that it's not copied from others.
I use the data analysis in
Can
Excel,
you tell me
so
what are the
it
input?
directly go to this answer. So I still need to write down the formula, right?
If you just use this data analytic t-test, you can just tell me the step, right?
Hmm?
You
Tell
tell
you
me
the
the
step.
steps.
Oh, so how I go to the data and then I go to the data analysis and then I go
What
to
you
the
input there, then
t-test.
yeah, yeah. If
And for
you
the
yeah,
input part for,
yeah. Just
yeah.
let me it's clear how you arrive your answer, right?
Okay, thank you.
Just for the sake of because the assessment is like online, and then it's also open book, so it's very hard for me to check. So I need to have some evidence. Is that clear? I mean, just clear that you are not copying from others, right? Because otherwise it would be. Is that clear? I hope it's clear.
So I don't need to copy the math formula, but I need to clearly state which step
Yeah,
that
just
I
clearly state
go
how you
through.
arrive your answer. That is only I
Okay.
require. I'm not. Is that clear?
Yes. And I also want to ask about the this question.
Okay. So what was the question there?
Because I don't know how. I think the answer is a little bit
Is it the
weird.
homework?
Yes, the
Homework you should
previous
ask TA
homework.
because he graded. But
But I want to know the answer.
the answer you have to ask the TA for that because
Oh,
he
okay. Thank.
of if the answer is the final answer uploaded already.
Oh,
If the short
really?
answer uploaded already.
Okay.
I don't know if I've answered your question.
Yes. Thank you.
So if you have any question about the homework, then please ask TA because he'll be grading your homework.
Okay.
And then yeah, I think that would be easier because
Mm,
that would be
thank you.
his
Professor Cole 早
yes.
晨，我想問你咧，我哋星期四嗰個考試咧，即係我會用 iPad 做啦，咁at the same time 我用 Excel 計嗰啲數啦，咁你話會有另一個即係交呢啲 document 嘅位啦，咁可唔可以即係你啱啱話要 show steps 啦，咁可唔可以at the same time 交 Excel 同埋我喺 iPad 寫嗰啲嘢，定係你淨係想要我喺 iPad 寫？
我淨係需要你我淨係需要你 handwritten 個 answer，我唔需要 Excel。
哦，OK，好，唔該。
你淨係交你 handwritten，跟住就係話嗰個 short answer 就係嗰個答案乜嘢，咁你咪擺上去得㗎，好簡單，唔需要交 Excel。
好啊，好，唔該
因為佢哋
晒。
唔一定 Excel 噶嘛，所以你唔需要交 Excel。
好啊，好啊，唔該。
Someone can reformula text. I'm not sure what you're asking. Chaya, what's the question? Can be what equal formula test? Not sure what you're writing, but I'm not sure I understand your question. Or Excel step, you just tell me how you just write the form. Yeah, just write the formula. You use the formula. If you use the analytics, then you just tell me you use the analytics. What's the input, and that's it. That's what I said to previous answer the previous question. Just the principle is just like you stay clear how you write the answer, then I think it's fine. I'm not just because of online because the online exam, so that's why we need to be a little bit more careful. Otherwise, it'll not be an issue. Okay, bye bye. I will be staying 5 more minutes because I have to at the class to attend, but you only do okay. What I said is the blackboard. You write down your short answer. Yeah, short answer to your final answer. You don't write final answer or your short answer to that. And then you submit your supporting step by handwritten one. Is that clear? So stay here for 3 more minutes because of the I have another. Then if there's a okay. If there's no further question, then I will be ending the Zoom section. So I will see you on Thursday. During class time, we have the first hour office hour, and then we'll see you on 7:30 for the test time. Okay. For any question about the homework, please ask the TA. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.